Hi, I'm Cindy Poulin, and I am the East Coast ambassador of Autism Tree. I met Dana Hoff, founder, and Todd Hoff back in 2019 when I moved to Philadelphia area. And my background was public health, and Dana was looking for someone to volunteer and just be a connector. And one of the things I do for the organization is I go to different events that are maybe an autism awareness event and try to connect people that might make a difference for families. And I think it's so important because one is early detection, and one of the things that Autism Tree does is they diagnose early. So they have all these early screenings, and it's so important. And I think this year they have 600 new families that have contacted Autism Tree because they need help. They need support for the family, support for the siblings, help with their child, a way to navigate what's out there. And they help with every single stage of life, including navigating school, besides the screening, navigating getting into college, or resources for respite. But they're a great organization, and I think everybody should be donating to them. Autism Tree really has, for me, been really important for connection and for empowerment. Just giving people a voice and connecting different individuals to organizations for help.